Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can remove permission related to settings module or permission related to settings for a specific team. You can do it through our access management module or you can do it through our settings module also. So on your left hand side, you will see access management and settings module. Let us go with our settings module. So click on settings module. Then here you will come on user segment. You need to click on teams as because permission is defined on team level only. So there is 3 of my teams available: management, purchase, account. So for purchase team, I want to remove the permission related to settings. How I can do it? Hover on this 3 dot, you will see option of permission. Please click on this. Now here is the list of all the permission. You can either use the search option to just type settings, or you can just hover down and then after you will see option of settings. So please check. Here is the settings related permission. So view setting, view general setting, edit general setting. So difference between view and edit is that if edit is selected, then after that particular team can go ahead and make changes in the settings module. View setting, if I remove the view setting, they may not be able to see the settings module data. So what I will do, I will just go ahead and remove the edit permission and view permission for the purchase team. Just the settings module need to be displayed, and I will go ahead and just save the permission. So please check, this particular permission is successfully and settings module permission have been removed. So they may not be, the purchase team may not be able to go ahead and check anything in my settings module or make any changes in the settings module. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in settings module. Have a good day ahead.